Hello, everybody! 我是你们的好朋友露露。Linnet Chinese is here for you. Let's get started. Oh man, Chinese is way too hard. But I'm not gonna give up. 你知道中文实在是太难了，但是我是不会放弃的，这才对嘛。So our phrase for today is now you're talking. In Chinese is 这才对嘛，这才对嘛，这才对嘛，这才对嘛，这才对嘛。Remember, now you're talking, meaning that's what I want to hear. That's a good idea. That's a good plan. So when you say it, you gotta sound excited. Pay attention to the intonation by looking at my facial expression when you say it. 这才对嘛，这才对嘛。Now you're talking. Now let's take a look at these following conversation.
Hey, Lulu.
Yeah.
We could just have pizza for dinner. 我们晚餐要不要一起吃披萨呀？
Nah, no.
Or how about the new Chinese restaurant? 要不然咱们去新开的那家中餐厅？
Now you're talking. 这才对嘛。
Hey, Lulu.
Yeah.
Wanna watch a movie tonight? 今天晚上要跟我一起去看电影吗？
Not really. 不是很想。
You wanna go to the beach? 那想要跟我去海滩吗？
Well, now you're talking. The beach sounds very relaxing. 这才对嘛。All right, that's it, everybody. Our phrase for today is 这才对嘛。Did you get it? 你学会了吗？拜拜。